Here is how to create a shared Google Drive. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can create a shared Google Drive. So let's start. First of all, go to any browser of your choice. Then after, go to the search bar and type drive.google.com and go to its official website. After you open the website, it will ask you to log into your account. So make sure to log into the account that you want to use while using Google Drive. Then you'll come to the home page like this. Now in order to create a shared drive, click on New on the top left side. Then after, select New Folder. After that, enter the name of the folder that you want to create and then click on Create. It will automatically take you to My Drive where you will find the new folder that you just created. Now right click on the folder that you created and then go to Share. After that, click on Share once again and it will take you to a screen like this. Now enter the email address of the person with whom you want to share the folder. Let's say this is the email address of that person. Select it. Then after, it will take you to a next screen like this. Make sure editor is selected in this section. Also, don't forget to enable this notify people option. Then after, you can type any message that you want to share with the person that you have added. Furthermore, when you click on the settings icon, you can see that the editors can change permissions and share. So when you select this editor option, it means that the person that you have added will be able to change the files, add new files and make some changes in the folder. So after you make sure that you have added all the correct details, click on Send. Then after, you might get a notification screen like this. Click on Share anyway. After you do that, you will be able to create a shared Google Drive with that specific person that you just added. So in this way, you can create a shared Google Drive. That's it for the video. Make sure to leave a like if you found this helpful and subscribe to the channel for further videos.